Cooking like a chef on a 5-star Michelin. Hey Jingus! If you couldn't tell from my beautiful rapping, cooking like a chef on a 5-star Michelin. This video is gonna be about me eating like Felix from Stray Kids for 24 hours. You guys really love my living like Han for 24 hours video, and Felix was highly requested. I went to a Stray Kids concert in New York like 2 months ago, and guys, I was awestruck by how beautiful Felix was. Just every time he came on the big screen, he was absolutely immaculate. He was glowing, like, wow. For those of you who may have randomly stumbled on this video and don't know Felix, he is a K-pop star in the group Stray Kids. And he is the rapper of the group and also from Australia. So when he speaks in English, he has this beautiful Australian accent. And let's learn more stuff about him together. Okay, I'm on this website called K-popping, and there's this bunch of fun facts about him. And I just found out that his favorite food is beef brisket.
제일 좋아하는 거 뭐예요?
저는 차돌박이 되게 좋아해요.
And then on aminoapps.com, it says that he loves rice cakes and he can't eat super spicy food. Watching a mukbang of Felix.
It's actually pretty spicy.
It's actually pretty spicy.
Buying a lot of fruits, for example, like carrots
No, what?
and cucumbers.
Good, good, good.
And also yogurt.
Felix's fruits that he's been buying a lot of is carrots, cucumber, and yogurt. So I can definitely eat those for breakfast.
I like Hawaiian.
Hawaiian?
At times, but again,
At times? Okay, I think I got a good amount of foods that he likes. Yeah, I think I'm ready. So see you guys tomorrow for breakfast. Cooking like a chef on a 5-star Michelin. We're gonna be eating Felix's fruits for breakfast. Carrots, cucumber,
Kumba.
granola. And my 2 eggs because I cannot go a morning without eating eggs. I'm also gonna be drinking this protein shake. It is my favorite protein shake ever. It's the Korean misogaru flavor. Water. And then you just whisk it up. Cheers. And there's like these crunchy pieces. ASMR. Hello everyone, I am now in K-Town. I just found out yesterday that Felix is the brand ambassador for Gongcha, so we have to get Gongcha. Also, Gongcha is doing a $3 on a large iced tea, so I'm gonna get that. Oh, they're closed right now. Okay, they open in 10 minutes at 11 o'clock. So I'm gonna be going inside like a Korean beauty store. Time to go back to Gongcha. I got the oolong iced tea. This is pretty good. I love a plain iced tea. No sugar, no milk, just oolong tea. Oh my god, this city is looking so pretty right now. I'm gonna be going to the really nice New York Public Library. I haven't been there in so long. Still pretty full from the protein shake. to chug my drink. Oh, I feel like throwing up. Oh my god, there's so much liquid in me now. Stay at the library for too long. I was at the library for around 2.5 hours, but my stomach was growling. I'm gonna go get pizza now, and it's Hawaiian pizza. I can't believe I'm gonna be spending my money on Hawaiian pizza. I don't hate it, but I really wouldn't prefer to choose a Hawaiian pizza over all the other delicious pizzas. We have our Hawaiian pizza. Guys, there was one slice left, and it makes me wonder, do a lot of people get Hawaiian pizza? I found this place on Reddit because I was searching for a pizza place that does Hawaiian pizza just for like one slice. I've never heard of this place, but the pizza looks pretty good. Here it is. There's lots of pineapple. Good pineapple. Cheers! Wait, why is this really hitting the spot? The cheese is so good. They put like a really thick layer of cheese and it's so good. When I was younger and there was only Hawaiian pizza for me to eat, I would like take off all the pineapple and like eat it separately. Because I really didn't like mixing sweet and savory. Okay, my last bite, I don't really want the pineapple on it. But now I kind of miss the pineapple. Okay. Honestly, I would rate that like an 8 out of 10. Maybe like a 7.8, 7.7. But among the Hawaiian pizzas that I've had, it's a 10. Thank you, Felix, for recommending Hawaiian pizza. I'm back home now. Say hello to Sephora. Hi, Sephora. My wheat order is here. Asian groceries in New York are kind of expensive and kind of inconvenient. So a lot of people use wheat and they typically deliver it the next day. We got my rice cake for my tteokbokki, onions. We got Felix's favorite brisket. Actually, it says beef ribeye sliced curl. Kind of the same Korean sausage to put in the tteokbokki. I ran out of dumplings, so I got some dumplings. Pho noodles and lemon for my pho. Plan on making chicken pho tomorrow. Oh, spices for pho. I ran out of gochujang and samjang, so I got that. And we'll be using gochujang for my tteokbokki today. And yeah, that is my wee haul. Whoa. It's time to make the tteokbokki and chador. I just woke up from like a 30-minute nap and now we're gonna cook. Some last minute plans formed and I'm gonna be going to watch like a movie at a park with Mel and our friend Jenny. So I'm gonna be making a bit more extra than what I originally had planned. Thankfully there's like so much